Hey, if you're suffering from like a dry scalp or a sensitive scalp when you get your hair done, you have a lot of dandruff as you wear your style or start coming out, I want to show you how to get your hair like this without using harsh chemicals like vinegar that will dry your hair out and make you have to replace your moisture. Okay, so first thing we want to do is wet our hair a lot, and then you want to make sure that instead of soaking your hair in vinegar that you're actually soaking it in oil. But wait, check out these cornrow starts. I start as a double strand, then when I add my third lock in here, that's when I start doing the actual braid started. And then all you do is stitch in the locks underneath your braids. So you do your braids and then you put the lock in underneath that, and that's how you get a nice uniform cornrow all the way down. But let's get back into what I actually did to get his hair to look like this. So first I had to wash it really long, and I did a oil soak and not vinegar, which allowed me to easily get that stuff off of his scalp and out of his hair. And his scalp is thanking me for it. I also used a baby body wash so that it was not a harsh shampoo on the scalp aggravating the hair anymore. So if you guys want to get rid of your dry, itchy scalp, it takes a few times. It's not going to happen like instantly. You got to do it a few times, and you need to make sure you look like I'm looking right here. This is how you need to be looking at the scalp and what y'all putting on it, period.